guys, we finished streaming on Twitch and we want to give it that attractive thumbnail that's going to make people want to click and watch, right? Just like the YouTube thumbnail. So you see something like this and you want to give your video something like this instead of just having it like this. So the first thing you're going to do, wherever you are on your Twitch screen, just locate your profile icon on the top right, click on it, and you will see list of settings like this. So you're just going to go to channels, and for me, I'm just going to click here. Let me pause this. You're just going to click, sorry. You click on your profile icon here, you see, okay, so I'm just going to go back to create a dashboard. So once you're here, you click on your profile icon and you go to account settings. So once you click on account settings, you're going to go to this section that says channel and videos. You click on channels and videos. Now you keep scrolling down. Sorry, I'm just going to quickly correct this. Not that. So you come to this section on the top here, the hamburger icon here. You're going to click on content. Then you go to video producer. Once you click on video producer, you're gonna see what I just did here. So this is just my recent stream. I gave it a thumbnail already. What you're gonna do here is you come to the bottom here. You see the videos you have. You have the watch and the highlights. You go to the highlights. I'm gonna click on this right now. I want to work on this particular video. Now it gives the option to save this section to this section, which is the highlights. But I will advise you, if you want to save the whole video, even though it's 2 hours video or 5 hours video, you want to save it. So you're going to come to it. This is like you're editing the video. So you come and stretch it from here to the end, or that's to the beginning, and you go to here to the end. But let's say you don't want to show on certain part like me, I'm just going to cut it from here. I'll do it again. I'll start from there. Now, the next step is to click on publish highlights. So you click on publish highlights, and it's like it's already publishing the whole video, the whole stream and stuff. So you're just gonna wait for it to load up. Now, the beautiful thing is you can now edit and give your video more details like YouTube. So I'm gonna do it this way. I'm just gonna come here, clear the highlights label there, and I'll put what the event is all about. It's Nigeria, and Zimbabwe wedding. So it's going to be traditional wedding. I'm trying to give it a proper name. What is the traditional wedding? This is what the whole video is all about in Cape Town, South Africa. So now this is the beautiful part. This is where we are going forward. This is the thumbnail section. So you're going to click on it. This is why we're here. So click on that, and you're just going to go here. You're going to see this. I'm just going to click on this. I'm just going to play with this. So this is it. You can adjust your image. You can crop it the way you want it. So when I say I'm okay with it, I say finish cropping. After finish cropping, you click on save, and your video will be ready with a new thumbnail. So I'm going to refresh this and see. Yeah, you see that? So this is going to make your video look more attractive and more beautiful. Let me know what you think about this. Smash the like button, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Channel. Okay, this is nice. Not bad at all.